In this video, I'm breaking down 3 ways to turn Nano Banana into a real one-person online business. And when I say one person, I mean it. No hiring a team or dealing with employees. Just you, your laptop, working from wherever you choose. And I've structured this tutorial so that it's easy to follow even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience with AI. I promise there is no coding or complicated AI prompts needed. This is a complete tech bro free zone. And I break everything down step by step. I even created a free video checklist that you can download to follow along with. You can get it down below the video. So if you're ready to stop watching other people build online businesses and actually create one of your own, let's get started with method number 1. So the first step of this tutorial is to access Google's Nano Banana AI image generator. To do that, go to this website that you see on my screen right here. This is Google's AI studio where Nano Banana image generator lives. And the first way we're going to use Nano Banana to help us start an online business is by creating graphics, which sounds obvious because Nano Banana is an AI image generator, but not just any random graphics. Because as much as a lot of these other YouTubers want you to believe, it's actually really hard to monetize AI generated graphics unless you know the right way to do it. Mostly because images are so easy to create with AI now, literally anyone can do it. So how do you actually get people to pay for AI generated images? Well, one of the ways you can get people to do that is by using platforms like Printify to put your AI generated graphics onto popular physical products and then sell them on your own online shops or marketplaces. This is also known as print on demand. And why this works is because you're adding additional value to the AI graphic by making it useful in the real world, by taking something that was digital and then making it into something physical or tangible. But don't skip away thinking you already know what I'm talking about, because there is a right and a wrong way to do this. And if you do it wrong, chances are you won't make anything. But if you do it right, you could create a really successful online business. Which brings me to a really important point. Even though what I'm showing you in this tutorial is something I've personally done to start my own online businesses, there's no way for me to guarantee what happens for you. Starting an online business is simple, but it doesn't mean it's always easy. If you want to succeed, you need to be determined to face whatever obstacles that come up, and also have the attention span to watch an entire tutorial and follow through on it. Because the truth is, most people watch my videos and literally do nothing with the info. So it's totally up to you whether your online business grows or not. I'm here for you if you have any questions. Well, not right here, but inside my community. If you would like my help starting your online business, make sure you join my community below the description. Okay, so now that we have our expectations clear, how do we turn our AI generated graphics into products that people actually want to pull out their wallets for? The way that I do that is by spying on what products and designs are already selling or trending now on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. There's lots of apps that will do this for you, but my favorite is Listing View. There's a link below if you want to test it out, but it's like having a cheat code because you can literally search for any keyword or niche and it will show you what's currently trending or selling the most right now. Here's an example of a winning design I found here in Listing View. And here's proof of how much this product has made on Etsy. So you can see that this design and product combination is something that people clearly want to buy. If you want to know how I found this product, watch this video here where I show you the exact settings I use to find trending products using Listing View. But you might be thinking, okay, this is great, Stacy, but what does this have to do with Nano Banana? Well, once you find a winning design with proof that it's selling, like this one, you can now use Nano Banana to recreate that design for any niche you like in just a couple of seconds. Watch. First, take a screenshot of this winning product, then upload it to Nano Banana by clicking this button here. Next, you need to prompt Nano Banana asking it to recreate this design, but for a different niche. Because the last thing you want to do is copy this exact same design and product. Because yes, it's clearly popular, so we have proof that people like this style of design and product, but you don't want to compete with this already popular product as a newbie, because this seller already has the momentum. What you want to do is use this research to create a similar type of design, but in a different popular niche or topic. Plus, copying someone else's design exactly is wrong and could get you into trouble with copyright and trademark issues. So always make sure you change the image slightly. To do that, your prompt needs to include instructions about what you want changed. what your niche or topic is, and specific details to make sure your graphic is usable for the next step of this tutorial. Here you can see the prompt I like to use, which you can just copy. But you don't have to pause the video to do that because I included all of the prompts from this tutorial in my video checklist for you. You can just copy and paste it from there. Once you enter your prompt, hit this button to submit it to 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗯𝗀. Then in a few seconds, it analyzes this example image you uploaded and creates a winning design for you, but for your niche. And it does it in just a few seconds. Here's the new design it created for me using the original as reference. And just to prove it isn't a fluke, I'll test it again and ask 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗯𝗀 to create this design again, but for a completely different niche. And when I hit submit, after a few seconds, 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗯𝗀 does it again with another perfect design that I can now use for my business in whatever way I want. To me, this is literally wild because when I first started doing print on demand years ago, AI did not exist. And I had to pay lots of money to a designer to recreate the designs like this for me. Or I had to spend hours trying to do it myself. Now I can create designs that I can use for my business in seconds. But remember, as crazy as it is to see 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗯𝗀 recreate images in just a few seconds, these images alone won't make you any money. You need to give people a reason to buy them from you. And you're going to do that by putting them on popular gift items that people can buy for themselves or for their friends and family. And like I mentioned earlier, my favorite way to do this is with Printify Print on Demand because it's free to set up, which you can see here. There's a link to Printify below this video if you want to follow along with me, or you can get there through my video checklist. This is a perfect beginner-friendly online business model because I remember when I first started, I didn't really have a lot of money to put into building my business. And platforms like Printify were so helpful to me because they were free to use. You only have to pay a small part of the selling price to cover the cost of production and shipping, but after you get a sale, and then you get to keep the profits. And each time you get a sale, Printify does all of the creating and shipping of your product for you. So there's no spending or having to buy any products upfront. Let me show you how simple it is to create and sell a product with Printify. Also, don't forget, I'm going to show you 2 other ways to use 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗯𝗀 to create your online business after this one. So make sure you keep watching. After you create your Printify account, all you have to do is pick a product from one of their 1,000+ different items in their catalog. Pick something that you've seen is popular from your research in the previous step. I'm going to pick this hoodie for this example. But quick pro tip, don't just pick whatever product you personally like. Use Listing View or Etsy to research what's currently in demand. Once you pick your product, click this Start Designing button here. That will bring up the Printify editor where you'll see a template of your product in the center. For this tutorial, it's a hoodie. Then all you have to do is click here to upload your 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗯𝗀 image. Then size it to fit within this dotted line, which is really important because if it passes this border, it will be cut off when it's printed. Next, pick which colors or variants you want to sell by clicking here. I'm only picking 3 because psychology shows that the more choices people have on a product page, the less likely they're going to buy. So keep your variants simple. Then once you've done that, click here to preview what your product will look like once Printify prints it and sends it to your customers. Here you can see our 𝗕𝗿𝗱𝗯𝗀 design looks really great on our hoodie mockup. Next, click here to save it and continue on to the next page. Here is where you need to enter your product details like title, description, tags, pricing, and shipping info so that Printify can create your product page for you. This is the information that will be published to your Etsy shop, Shopify store, or whichever website you want to sell your products on, which I'll cover in the next step. But don't worry if you don't know what to write for these things, because Printify now has AI integrated into this page, so it can write all of this for you. All you have to do is click this button here. Then just write a brief description of what your product is, including a bit about the design. You can see what I'm writing right here. Then hit submit. And Printify AI will write the product title, description, and even your keyword tags for you. And it will perfectly fit your product and your design. But from here, the last thing you need to do is scroll down to this section here to pick your product pricing. Now, what you enter here will depend on what product you specifically picked. But make sure you keep an eye on this column here where it shows your profit. And price your products so that you're actually making money. This column will show you how much you'll make each time someone buys one of your products. You also need to keep an eye on which products are typically selling on Etsy. If you price them too high, you won't get any sales. And if you price them too low, you won't make any money. So you need to find the sweet spot between these 2 prices. Once you enter your price, scroll down and hit this button to publish your products to your Etsy shop or whichever online store or marketplace you want to sell them in. Or if you don't have an Etsy shop or online store yet, click this Save as Draft button. Then come up here and click on this button to create your online store right through Printify. Printify integrates right into lots of the most popular marketplaces or online stores like Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, and lots of others that you can see here. And once you create your online store, Printify will publish your product right to your product pages, so people can buy them directly from you. And then each time you get a sale, it will automatically be sent to Printify, where they'll create your products and ship them to your customers for you. Here you can see my example hoodie in my example Etsy shop. And here you can see our Nano Banana design. But if you look at this listing, do you notice something? If I'm being honest, these images look kind of boring and basic. On their own, they probably won't grab someone's attention and convince them to buy my product. So let me show you the second way we're going to use Nano Banana to help us build our one-person online business. And that's by using it to create product images. Because when you're trying to sell physical products online, the product images are what grabs your audience's attention and makes them want to buy it. Generic images like these aren't going to cut it anymore. And before Nano Banana, I used to have to hire a photographer to create good product images for me. But now that we have AI as our personal assistant, you can now do it for free in just a few seconds. So what you want to do is come back to Nano Banana and open a new chat. Then instead of uploading your reference design into the chat, what you're going to do is upload one of your product mockup images from Printify, like this. Next, you're going to give Nano Banana this second prompt where you're asking it to create a much more interesting, more visually appealing product image of your exact product. Yes, Nano Banana can take a boring mockup image and turn it into an attention-grabbing product image. Watch. When I hit submit, Nano Banana thinks for a second, reviews my product image and my prompt, then combines them to create this product image, which is way more appealing to a potential customer. Again, I added my prompt to my video checklist if you want to copy and paste it, but when you do, make sure you change the details of what you want your product image to look like so that your image matches your design and niche. You can then repeat this process a few more times to create a few more product images of your product, but in different settings and angles. Then all you have to do is download them from Nano Banana by clicking here, then upload them to your product page or product listing like you can see I did here on my Etsy listing. And this looks so much better than the original basic images of my product. These are much more likely to grab the attention of my target customers. But you know what sells a product even better than product images like this? Images of people actually using the product. But how can you get images of people using your product if the product hasn't even been created yet? Well, Nano Banana can do that too, by creating an AI avatar image where the AI avatar is interacting with your actual product. I know it sounds a bit wild if you haven't heard of this before, but watch and I'll show you how you can do it with Nano Banana. First, upload one of your basic product images into the Nano Banana chat again, just like you did in the last step. But this time, you're going to prompt Nano Banana to create an AI avatar for you that's holding, wearing, or interacting with your product. Yes, it can actually do that. But for this, you need to be a bit more detailed with your prompt. For AI avatars, the more detailed your prompt is, the better they turn out, because you're essentially asking it to create a human. Here you can see the example prompt I'm using for my hoodie, where I'm asking Nano Banana to create an AI avatar that's wearing my actual hoodie. The prompt includes what the person should look like, what they're doing, and the setting. And again, don't worry about pausing the video to type out my prompt because you can copy and paste it from my checklist. Then a few seconds later, Nano Banana created this realistic looking avatar wearing my actual hoodie. This literally changes everything for one-person online business owners because again, when I first started doing print on demand years ago, I would have had to get a sample of my hoodie, send it to a model, pay them to take photos in it, then wait for them to send the photos back to me, which usually took weeks or even a month. Now, I can create product designs, product images, images of models wearing my products all in under an hour. AI is literally changing the way people are creating and growing online businesses. Because the key to building a successful one-person online business that you can run by yourself without a team or a bunch of employees is to simplify and streamline as much as you can with automations. And what I just showed you is a perfect example of how Nano Banana and Printify is helping us do that. But one thing I do need to say, even though using AI does speed things up, you need to make sure you check everything it creates for you. Because even though it's fast, it's not always perfect. So double, even triple check every AI response or graphic before posting or publishing it. Also, even though you can create AI images showing your product, it's still a really smart idea to order a real-life sample of your product before you sell it, so that you can double check the quality and what it actually looks like. And also so that you know if the AI images that are created are accurate or not. You can do all of that inside your Printify account, which you can see here. Also, I did go through this process kind of quickly, but if you need more help, I also have a community where you can get more help from me personally. Ask questions in the chat and join my live Q&As where I answer your questions live. And I'll also have longer, more in-depth tutorials over there where I build online businesses live with you watching. If that sounds like something that will help you, the link to join my community is down in the description. It's free to join now, but I'm not going to keep it free forever, so make sure you join soon. Hopefully, I see you there.